That's what I've been waiting on, boys.
Hey, you went around the truck for me. Hey there, Johnny boy.
What's up, George?
If you look to your left, aka the right, you see the world's largest cock. What's going on, folks? Welcome back to another episode of Whitetails and Scales. I ain't seen none of y'all since '04, like Ruben stuttered. But today we are at the Smith River trout fishing. They got rainbows and brook, which are stocked, and then they have a wild population of brown trout. The waters that leave the Philpott Lake Dam feed from the bottom, so the river stays cool enough year-round to support a wild population of brown trout. So we're gonna see if we can catch a few of those today. You guys stay tuned. Get to it. So a few facts about the Smith River. This river was formed back in 1285 by the Oaxaca Indians. They used a herd of 28,165 wild buffalo to form the river basin here. And so yeah, we're gonna trout fish it. Now other spots right there, but we gotta hike a little bit through the woods to get to that. All right, guys, so here's the deal. We trout fished for a little bit. The river was a little low, and tons of just Johnnies and Jims come encroaching in on our fishing area. We don't have waders. They had waders. They beat us to the punch. We had to get on out of there. They pushed us out. We were pretty mad about it. You know what I'm saying? Got in a little tussle with a couple of them. But eventually we were overcome and we had to leave. So now we are at a pond and we are going to fish for the elusive and highly sought after freshwater pond dolphin. And let's see what we get. Oh, I see a bass. No, it ain't. Oh, yeah, it is. Got it. Oh, he pulled off.
I feel it now over here. I wasn't feeling it earlier.
Oh, I just got hit hard.
I did like that spot at the lake we were at there, but
another little baby. Slow your roll, Edgar. Little male. That's a crappie.
yeah, it is.
That's a slab. That's a nice little crappie, dog. Look at that line on his head.
That's crazy.
Nice little crappie. On a chatterbait. That's some good eating right there. All right, see you later, Jimmy. Oh, nice one.
That's what I've been waiting on.
Yep,
boys.
that's a nice one, buddy.
I've been waiting on, boys.
That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Oh yeah. That's it.
Hey! That's what I've been waiting on, boys. All year. That's what I've been waiting on, boys.
Let's see. Yeah.
Oh, fat belly Bertha. Been eating a little bit.
Well,
we got 2 of them. Double it up right quick. Little daughter. Ooh, she got off.
On the swim bait. What the heck is a sea trout doing in the pond? A little sea trout. Oh. Decent one, I think. Oh no. It's a little guy.
Ew, man.
Oh. Hey, Jimmy! Got you, buddy! That's it. Got him. Come here, Johnny boy. I called that one. Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh dude, this is a monster. Oh dude. He's head shaking and everything. Get your line in. Oh dude, this is a monster. Oh dude. This is a monster. Oh god, he's pulling drag. Get it, get it, get it, get it. Oh, yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Oh, that's a chunky. This is the Elusive, the highly sought after freshwater pond dolphin. Right here, boys. This is what you're looking for. Look at her. She is a beauty. Alright guys, well that's it for today's video. The trout fishing didn't work out. Actually what had happened was the dam, when they generate power, of course the river level rises, and from where I went last week and attempted to make a video but I had GoPro issues, from then till now it had actually went down a lot and we didn't have the waders to get out where we could really reach. We seen some trout, we seen some fish busting and stuff, but we couldn't get out to where they were at. So we made the move back here to home to a pond that Chaz knew, and that was pretty successful. The pattern was swim bait fish imitation. I caught them on a swim bait and on a chatterbait and frog, and I don't think I actually caught one on the frog, but I got a lot of bites. And Chaz caught a few on a buzz bait. He loves top water. So I may still have GoPro issues. Hopefully I didn't do all of this and then I checked the footage and there's no audio. That's what's been happening. The first clip of the video would have audio and the rest of the clips wouldn't have anything. So hopefully that's not the case. Hopefully you guys can see the video and I can put one out. I know it's been a while, and hopefully I can get on to making more. We've had a lot going on. My son broke his arm and it's been dance recitals and preschool sign-ups and all kind of stuff like that. So anyway, if you go ahead and watch one of these videos up here, click that subscribe button if you haven't already done it. Click that little ding dong bell so you'll get notified when I do put up a video and you don't miss anything. When I get to 100 subscribers, I'll still do the giveaway. I probably got $100 worth of tackle waiting to give away to somebody at 100 subscribers. Until the next time, we'll catch you guys in the woods or on the water.